am Marie and I'm French, currently living in Berlin. I am a designer focusing on surface materials and product made for home and interiors. My work is based on project with crafts and natural material. I use craft in my work in a way to experiment and get my perception of a material and what the object can become a bit outside of the box. And what passionates me is to question and discover the material, its texture, its plasticity, colors, and work around it with what intrigued me. Craft is important because as I work with natural material, I feel that they have a very logical and forthcoming relationship between the imperfection that a handmade process creates and the unpredictable nature of natural material. Then it's a whole discussion. I believe the process of crafts makes you become humble and excited at the same time because of the outcome that you cannot predict. And also the material, you can bend it to your will and try to create something, but the material will always bend your original idea to its own possibilities. So it's very interesting, and I think the object will reflect that richness, and that with the craft process, object and materials are more human and you can feel a deeper connection to it afterwards. I think that going slowly, wandering and taking time to observe and listen, accept imperfection in the creative process, but also as a designer, as a human being, it's stepping back into our life, and it's very good, interesting that we are learning that now. And to talk a bit more naturally about the craft hub experience, I felt that it was very intensive and exciting experiment, because you get to see all these paths, these interesting things about the material. You don't have the time to do a lot about it, but you have the time to just see all the possibilities of that. So that's very interesting. And all the people are coming from a very different background. We have very different, but we all share like an excitement and a passion for the material itself. So it's very interesting and very dynamic environment, very positive one, because everyone is smiling, laughing, and seeing what they can do with the material. So that was a very nice experience.